हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम है देव और आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं एक छोटा सा क्विज सेशन जिसमें होगा आपके 20 क्वेश्चंस जो कि इंपॉर्टेंट होगा आपके वेरियस गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स के लिए, जैसे कि यूपीएससी, एसएससी, आरआरबी एंड एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। तो एक क्वेश्चंस के लिए आपको दिए जाएंगे ओनली एंड ओनली 6 सेकेंड्स जिसमें कि आपको आंसर करने हैं। सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट। हियर कम्स योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। कंप्यूटर जी, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिखाया जाए। Hyder Ali was succeeded by his son Tipu Sultan in which year? And your time starts now. चलिए चलिए जल्दी बोलिए। 4 सेकंड, 5 सेकंड, 6 सेकंड्स, योर टाइम्स इज अप। कंप्यूटर महोदय बताइए इसका आंसर क्या होगा। द आंसर इज ए 1782। ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। The Indian National Congress was formed in 1885 by which personality? And your time starts now. जल्दी बताइए टाइमर की तरफ। 6 सेकेंड्स एंड योर टाइम इज अप। ओके, द कंप्यूटर महोदय जी बताइए इसका आंसर क्या होगा। इट्स आंसर इज बी ए ओ ह्यूम्स। मैं उम्मीद करता आप लोग राइट आंसर सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं। ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Liberty, equality, fraternity. These ideas took place during which of the following revolutions? And your time starts now. 3, 4, 5, 6. Your time is up. Okay, let's see the right answer. The answer is C, French Revolution. Now, let's move on to the next question. Which among the following personalities is also known as Bango Bandhu? And your time starts now. Your time is up. Moving on to the next. Let's see the right answers for this question. The answer is B, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Moving on to the next question. In which year did Adolf Hitler become the Chancellor of Germany? And your time starts for this question now. 4, 5, 6. Your time is up. Your time is up. Time is up भैया। कंप्यूटर महोदय जी बताइए इसका आंसर क्या होगा। एंड द आंसर इज बी 1933। गुड गुड गुड। इस क्वेश्चन में ऑप्शंस बहुत ही क्लोज थे। यू गेट टू नो द एग्जैक्ट डिटेल्स ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। कंप्यूटर महोदय जी प्लीज़ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डालिए हमारे प्यारे छात्रों के सामने। चापेकर ब्रदर्स Damodar were responsible for the murder of which of the following Britishers? And your time for this question starts now. For timer की तरफ ध्यान दीजिएगा। 6. Your time is up. Your time is up. कंप्यूटर महोदय जी बताइए इसका आंसर क्या होगा। Answer is C, Amherst. Okay, moving on to the next question. The duration of Zayed session इज़ नॉर्मली बिटवीन। ये तो आपको पता होना चाहिए और इसके लिए आपके टाइम शुरू होते हैं अब। जल्दी जल्दी काम करो रे भैया। आज देखिए टाइम ख़त्म हो गया, टाइम ख़त्म हो गया और इसका आंसर है बी, अप्रैल टू जून। इसमें भी क्वेश्चन आपके ऑप्शंस बहुत ही क्लोज थे। ठीक है, फटाफट से बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। Computer Mahadaji, next question. Yes, this is a tricky question. You have been given a statement, and the statement is: such forests are covered with snow. Only mosses, a few sledges, and lichens grow here in summers. This type of vegetation is confined to Eurasia, North America, and Greenland coast. The question is: name the type of vegetation described above, and your time for this question starts now. This is lengthy but easy question. And your time is up. कंप्यूटर महोदय जी बताइए जरा इसका आंसर क्या होगा। आंसर इज बी, इट्स तुंद्रा। ऑलराइट, आई होप यू हैव बीन डूइंग ऑल these questions correct. Now moving on to the next question, please. The material transported and deposited by a glacier is known as. Your time for this question starts now. 4 ऑप्शंस है। 4 मिनट हो गए, 5 मिनट, 6 मिनट, खत्म 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 खत्म। योर टाइम इज अप। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। द आंसर इज सी, मोरेन। ऑल राइट, नाउ फटाफट से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। Which of the following instrument is used to hear and analyze heart and lung sounds? This is easy. This is absolutely easy. Come on, time starts now. This is easy. Come on, 4, 5, and 6. Time is up. And the answer for this question is D, stethoscope. All right, now we'll move on to the next question. Which of the following is used to view distant objects? Okay, your time starts now. And I think your time is up. Okay, now let's see what is the correct answer for this question. The answer is A, binoculars. This was easy, right? Okay, move on to the next question. Study of growing plant without a soil in water which contains nutrient is known as. This is quite easy. Let's move on the timer. 2 seconds, 3, 4, 5, and your time is up. Okay, the answer is C, hydroponics. Yes, the options was a little bit tricky, I think, but it was easy. Okay, move on to the next question. Who is also known as the father of Gujarat? And your time for this question starts now. 5 seconds, and your time is up. And the answer is B, Ravi Shankar Maharaj. I hope you have been doing all these questions correct. All right, moving on to the next question. Computer Mahadaji, please, next question. Acha. Who is also known as Tao? And your time and options for this question starts now. 5 and 6. Time is up. Okay, let's see the answer for this question. The answer is B, Chaudhary Debilal. Okay, we will do fast now because time is getting over. Who is also known as the man of peace? And your time starts for this question now. 3, 4, 5, 6. Your time is up. Okay, let's see the answer for this question. Answer is B, Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. All right, now next question, Computer Mahadaji, please, fast. The dance form Kantam, Pakupila, Cherokan, etc. belong to which state? And your time for this question starts now. Your time is up. Okay, let's see the answer for this question. The answer is A, Mizoram. It was quite confusing. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The word cell was first coined by British scientist Robert Hooke, and you have to tell in which year did he coin this term, cell. And your time for this question starts now. You should be correct at the timer. Okay, time is up. Let's see the answer for this question. The answer is D, 1665. Okay, moving on to the next question. Oryza sativa is a scientific name of which plant? And your time for this question starts now. 5 and 6. Your time is up. Okay, let's see the answer. Answer is D, rice. Okay, now question number 19. Let's see what is the next question. Here comes your question. The question is, which of the following is found only in plant cell? And your time for this question starts now. 5, 6, and your time is up. Okay, now let's see what is the right answer. Computer Ji, please show us what is the right answer for this question. The answer is C, plastid. All right, we are getting close to the end of this session. And the last question, which of the following takes part in protein synthesis inside a cell? And your time for this question, for this beautiful question, I must say, starts now. 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and your time is up. Let's see the answer. Computer Mahataji, please answer bataiye. Answer is B, ribosome. I hope you got to know something from this session. And thank you for watching this, and please like and subscribe our channel for more such updates. Thank you. Love you all. Good day.